Hey guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. Thanks for checking out my video. I got a nice little show for you today. Today we're in Chester, Connecticut. And today we're dropping off some donuts to air traffic control in Hartford. So stick along for the ride with me. Wait to the end for that one. I think you'll like that one. And I also showed a time lapse from Chester to Hartford. I kind of snuck in some really cool air traffic control audio in the Class D from CAP. Civil Air Patrol. 2 aircraft were coming in, and it was pretty interesting. So come along for the ride. So while we're in Chester, we're taxiing in Chester Airport. Let's talk about some interesting facts about Chester. Chester was originally a shipbuilding town in 1700s, and much of that historical charm remains today. With preserved colonial architecture and a picturesque main street, it offers visitors a step back to time with quaint buildings and cobblestone walkways. The town is known for its vibrant art community, with several art galleries, studios, and the Chester Museum at the Mill that showcases local history and art exhibitions. One of Chester's most unique attractions is the Chester Hadline Ferry, which has been in operation since 1769. It is one of the oldest continuously operated ferries in the United States and offers stunning views of the Connecticut River. Chester boasts some incredible farm-to-table restaurants, with chefs using local ingredients to create culinary delights. The town has become a foodie destination, with eateries like the River Tavern and Otto offering creative seasonal dishes. Chester is home to the Goodspeed Opera House's smaller venue, the Norma Terrace Theater, which stages exciting new musicals and performances. Theater enthusiasts can experience up-and-coming productions in an intimate setting.
To the right tank. We're on the right tank. Anybody on final? Nobody's on final. I'm looking. Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec taxiing onto runway 35 for departure. Short field takeoff. 1, 2. Let's do this. Rotate at 65. 63 knots. Rotate. Short field is good. Clear the obstacle. 1 notch out. Positive rate of climb. 2 notches out. And Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec, departure leg, runway 35, heading to the north, Chester. And Chester Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec is now at 1,300. We're north of the airfield. We'll be leaving the airfield. Last call, Chester. And Tower Cherokee 3133 Quebec with Lima, 12 to the south. Full stop.
Cherokee 3133 Quebec Banner Tower, make straight in runway 2 and report a 2-mile final.
Straight in for runway 2, 2-mile final, 33 Quebec.
And Brainerd Tower, Cap 606. We are 14 miles out to the west with Lima landing. No transponder.
Cap 606 Brainerd Tower, good morning. The altimeter 2989.
2989, Cap 606. 602.
Okay, I show an aircraft out there as Cap 606, about 15 miles to the west, coming across the highway. Would that be you?
No, that's my chase plane, the plane that's picking us up after we drop off that.
Okay, so Cap 602, report the left base runway 2, report 2 miles.
2 mile left base for runway 2, Cap 606. It's 602. I'm sorry, I used to fly in 606. Sorry.
Okay, Cap 602, so we're squared away. You're the one without the transponder. Gotcha. 606 will check in with me shortly.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And after all that, this is Cap 606, 13 to the southwest, landing, information Lima.
Cap 606, Brandon Tower, good morning, and you following 602, I'm assuming?
Yes, sir.
Cap 606, very good. Follow Cap 602, enter the left base runway 2, and no need to give a report.
Okay, copy that. Cap 606, following company traffic for the left base runway 2.
Tower Cherokee 313 Quebec reporting 2 mile final runway 2.
Cherokee 33 Quebec, wind calm, runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 2, 33 Quebec. Load down, flaps 1.
Cap 602, first sequence, I'd like you to fly east-southeast bound.
East-southeast for Cap 602.
Cap 606, follow company, fly east-southeast bound.
East-southeast on Cap 606.
7 hundo.
Mayday Tower, Crew Check 202, establish on the RNAV runway 2 approach.
Cap 602, Bernard Tower, and how will this approach terminate? Full stop?
Affirm, Crew Check 202.
Check 202, the wind's calm, report a 3 mile final.
Wind's calm, report 3 mile final, Crew Check 202.
Full flaps. Wind is calm.
Cap 602, thank you. Now turn due eastbound, pick up the river and proceed in.
Eastbound to the river and then inbound, Cap 602.
Cap 606, likewise, follow company, proceed eastbound, follow the river, inbound.
Eastbound, follow the river to the airport, Cap 602.
That was a boo-boo landing.
ATC Quebec, turn left Charlie, and where are you parking, sir?
33 Quebec, Charlie, I'd like to go to the Jet Center, please.
33 Quebec, your choice. You can go Alpha Hotel or straight on Charlie, right on Juliet. Which one would you like?
33 Quebec, like the Juliet option.
And 33 Quebec, straight on Charlie, right on Juliet, into the ramp.
33 Quebec, straight on Charlie, right on Juliet, into the ramp. And Tower, I got some Neil's Donuts here for you, special delivery. I'd like to bring them up to you after this.
33 Quebec, certainly. If give a call to the tower so I know when you're going to be here and when to let you in.
33 Quebec has the number. We'll call you.
Very good.
Those are for sharing, right?
There's 3 in there. How many people on yours?
Just joking. Have a good time.
Yeah, you two have a good day.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of this content. I'd like to say thank you to my fans. I have a set of aviation coasters here. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you're interested in these. I'll pick the top comment. I'll send it your way. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And stick around for next week. We got a nice little episode coming next week. I have for the GoPro right on my forehead with the hat backwards, and got some really good first-person shots leaving Hartford in the pattern. So see you next week.
Pretty good. He's not in sight yet, but I do see him on my radar.
Approach your 11, slowly moving to 10 o'clock.